Do you know you can start an online business today without buying stock, without a warehouse, and without worrying about shipping? That's the power of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you can sell product online, but instead of storing them yourself, you partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. You only pay for the product after someone orders it from you. That means no upfront investment in inventory and no risk of being stuck with unsold stock. Let's say you open an online store selling phone cases. A customer orders from your website for $20. You forward that order to your suppliers, who charges you $10 and ships the case straight to your customer. You never touch the product, but you keep the $10 profit. That's how simple it is. Dropshipping is perfect for beginners because low cost. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Flexibility. Work from anywhere with just a laptop and internet connection. Wide range of products. From gadgets to beauty items, you can sell almost anything. Scalability. As you grow, you can add more products and suppliers easily. So now you know what dropshipping is and why it's so powerful. In the next episode, I will break down exactly how the process works, step by step, so you can see the full picture before starting your own store. Don't miss it.